Alright, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Change in background, as you guys might be seeing, that's because I'm in Bangalore for the weekend. Agar you've been watching the last couple of my vlogs, life has been very hectic lately, so I came here to just let some steam off and chill for a couple of days. Not a couple of days, सिर्फ 2 दिन के लिए आया हूँ यार वैसे. But yeah, gonna be here for the next day or two, spend some time with my friends, थोड़ा सा chill करेंगे and then back to the grind next week से. In today's video though, I'm going to be talking a little bit about social media and how I'm seeing this very toxic trend because of it. And of course उसके बाद I'll be adding some clips from my Bangalore trip as well. So hope you guys like it and let's get into it. So lately I've been getting a lot of DMs from people regarding how they don't know what to do with life. They're feeling very lost. They failed exams. They're not able to get jobs, internships, etc. etc. And because of how social media is today, I think we're forgetting the fact that it's okay to go through times like this. मतलब सबकी ज़िंदगी में ऐसा समय आता है that they feel confused or they feel down and out, but that's completely natural and that's part of life. But because of creators on social media today, like student creators, educational creators, career counseling creators, ऐसी एक इमेज क्रिएट हो गई है that if you don't instantly know by 10th 11th that what you want to do in life, you're gone. मतलब तुम्हारा फेलियर, तुम्हारा सब खत्म हो चुका है. And moreover, on apps like Instagram and LinkedIn, people only share the good things about their life. मतलब they will never share the failures, the process, or how they eventually got to where they got. उसमें क्या winnings थे, उसमें क्या failures थे, what were the learnings, none of that. They're just focusing on getting to a certain place and then using that to get clout and become famous and become influencers, which is really bad because that creates such a bad impression that life is only going to be linear, that there is not going to be an up and down nothing. Because how I look at it is like a stock market ka graph. ठीक है, sorry for the finance bro in me, but there's always going to be ups and downs. कभी कभी market crash हो जाएगा तुम्हारे life का, but it's going to be steady like upward trend, but बीच में आता रहेगा भाई ऊपर नीचे. But because of creators today and because of there being so much fakeness on social media, सबको ऐसा लगता है कि भाई it's just going to be win after win after win after win. And because of that, people like whoever's watching this video, or like people who create consume content on Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, whatever, उनको ऐसा ही लगता है कि oh my god, मेरे लाइफ में अच्छा नहीं हो रहा बट बाकी सबके उसमें अच्छा हो रहा है, and I'm so lost behind in life. I've been left out by all my friends and my colleagues and my peers, and अब मेरा कुछ नहीं हो सकता, I'm a failure and stuff like that, which is very sad to see because ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. You just need one good day to change everything. And because of content like how it is being pushed today, that everything's supposed to be only good, win, ऐसा लोगों को लगता ही नहीं है. Everyone just thinks that if one thing goes bad in their life, everything's खत्म. So please don't think like that. There's always going to be ups and downs. If I give you a personal example, I'll tell you that last year 2024 में when I graduated from college, I didn't have anything in hand. Like तब content creation भी नहीं चल रहा था, तब जॉब भी नहीं थी, तब कुछ CFA VFA भी कुछ नहीं किया था. Nothing was there, only one internship and a degree from like a okay college in Pune. That's all I had. But the people I surrounded myself with, Saket को देख लो, आर्यन को देख लो, अवधूत को देख लो, we were all very motivated and we were all very ambitious and passionate about what we were building towards. And अपने आप को उन जैसे लोगों के साथ उन्हें सराउंड करके रखने के वजह से I was able to have a tunnel vision and just focus on what my goals were, and eventually 2 years later I'm in a very good position in my life today. And if I didn't have supportive friends back then or people who were ambitious around me, I think I would have still stayed in that bubble and not be anywhere today as well. So identify तुम्हारे friend groups में ऐसे कौन लोग हैं who are ambitious, who are passionate about things. Surround yourself with them, spend time with them, talk to them about what you want to do, what they want to do. Try to learn from them and work your way forwards. बीच में आता रहेगा ऊपर नीचे. But that's all for my yap session today. Let's go have some fun. We can also be mad. Retake.
We'll be matching.
ताकि हम match करें.
ताकि हम match करें.
We're gonna get outfit change. Our grab also has an ironing board. Update.
Now we're matching. Now we're matching.
Great.
Oh, that's it. How?
Where are we going?
To eat some dosa.
No, where?
Oh, dosa? Then
And?
I'll make nothing.
Biryani. I think this is my favorite hotel in Bangalore until now. मैंने ओबेरॉय के बारे में भी बहुत कुछ सुना है, but I haven't been there yet. So maybe next trip we go there. But I've been to 2 of the ITCs, both of them here, Windsor and Gardenia, and I personally think I like this one much more just because of the vibe, the ambience, and yeah, it's just very fun.
Hey, why are you recording me?
No paps. But yeah, that's the plan. So abhi we're gonna go get a lot of dosa, some biryani and some sweet, and then थोड़ा walk करेंगे क्योंकि पचाना भी है खाने को. We're going to Jayanagar. It's a very fun, beautiful area. Oh my god, I want to show you something. Butter is insane.
Is that disapproval?
No, that's approval. Wow.
Isn't that just...
I think I like this whole Bangalore cafe.
Yay.
Okay, so that dosa, probably the best जो मैंने अब तक अपनी लाइफ में खाया. It was very different, cooked in a very different way. मतलब first time I ever saw dosas being filmed, like cooked with like a wooden charcoal type of a setup, and moreover उसके अंदर का जो मसाला था, that was like very plain because the podi they put inside was super spicy. But yeah, 10 out of 10, insane, loved it. Now थोड़ा सा मिर्ची कम करने के लिए we're gonna get some milk at Nandini's and then head to our next spot. A little palate cleanser.
Tea time. The
God.
best.
Chocolate milk. Bengaluru Cafe. Crispy. Okay boys, number 2. This is gonna be the Bengaluru Cafe dosa. मैं जब पहली बार Bangalore आया था, so I had this over here, solid. But I think I might have a new favorite, which was the last one, which was the dosa of
Davangere.
Davangere. But yeah, this is good nonetheless, pretty good. I don't think we're doing Meghna biryani, but okay guys, we're back to the hotel. मेरा पेट almost फटने वाला है, so we're gonna pause for a bit and then end the day with a Magnolia Bakery choco chip cupcake. Oh guys, Titanic. There's a sick reflection of you in the mirror. Go to that. Of course she is. Good night guys. See you in the next one.